Today I've got another pair of safety glasses for you. These are the Pro for Show safety glasses. I previously reviewed their ear protection. Nice thing about these is that they're pretty low profile and pretty low cost as well. And I've been wearing these since I did the video on them and they work well. I've enjoyed them. And so recently got a pair of their safety glasses. These are actually new and improved from the first version they came out with, which had a little bit of distortion. They took a lot of the customer feedback and revamped it. So these are definitely much better as far as that goes. These are $12, and one of the big selling features of these is the super thin earpieces. You can see how thin those are, and such that when you're wearing them and you put some ear protection over them, there's not a lot of extra pressure right over here, so they're very comfortable to wear for a long time. By comparison, I love my Oakleys, but you can see the difference of just how thin the earpieces are on the Pro for Show versus the Oakleys. So these I don't typically wear as much when I'm putting ear protection over them because you definitely get a little bit more pressure on here. So that's a nice advantage of these. They come just with clear lenses. They come with a little bag that you can use to store it and also to clean it. And then they also come with a strap. The strap affixes into the little holes at the back right here. Just snaps right in there. And then it's adjustable here. So once you put it on, it both keeps it on your head if you were doing something vigorous, if the glasses might fall off, or also if you need to take them off, you can just set it right down here instead of having to put them up on top of your head or putting them in your pocket. Set right here, and then you can put them back on. These are ANSI rated Z87.1, which is the standard ANSI rating for protection glasses. So they're going to be good protection for that. I have worn these for several things. Recently, I've been remodeling my basement, building a gym, and I've seen enough bad incidents at the hospital where people come in with things flying into their eyes, so I am religious about wearing safety glasses, and I've been wearing these to cut wood, to hang drywall, and they've worked great for it. So recommend them for that. And shooting, and yard work, and whatever else you need, edging. So Pro for Show safety glasses, $12. They can be to your house Amazon Prime tomorrow. Amazon Prime now has this fancy one-day shipping. I'll put the link down below. You can check that out. But a nice pair of safety glasses, shooting, yard work, whatever you need. Nice thin temples. Recommend you check them out. Nice and affordable. Pro for Show safety glasses.